Do you wonder how to use your multiple monitors as one ultra-wide monitor? This video shows you step-to-step tutorial of how to set up your PC to Infinity mode in AMD devices. Open Settings, then arrange your monitors as how you want them to display. Open your AMD Radeon software and follow the steps as illustrated in this video. After enabling iInfinity, you notice that in Settings, your computer now views your displays as one monitor. You can always discard your setup using the Radeon software anytime. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more help on tech. Thank you. Till next time.